Welcome to TikTok Shop Connector by CedCommerce. In this video, we'll show you how to configure product settings under default configuration. From the left panel, go to Configuration and open the Product Settings tab under Default Configuration. First, set your product custom pricing. You can keep the same price as your Shopify store or choose a custom pricing rule, such as a fixed increment. Then enter the value you want to apply. Next, choose your price sync preference. You can sync either the product price or the compare at price as the retail price on TikTok Shop. Once you update the pricing settings, click Save. The app will ask how you want to apply these configuration updates. You can apply them to all existing products or only to new products added in the future. Select the option you need, then click Apply Updates. Once the update is saved, the app confirms that the product setting has been updated successfully. If product syncing starts in the background, the app may temporarily lock certain activities while the latest configuration is being processed. Next, enable Deactivate out-of-stock products if you want the app to automatically deactivate products on TikTok Shop when they go out of stock. You can also enable Reactivate products when back in stock, so the app automatically reactivates products once stock becomes available again. In the Auto Product Deactivate or Delete section, choose what should happen when a product is deleted from Shopify. You can either delete from TikTok Shop or deactivate from TikTok Shop. You can also enable the option to automatically deactivate products on TikTok Shop when they are moved to draft or archived in Shopify. Next, enable white background optimization for main image if you want the app to automatically optimize the first main image to meet TikTok Shop's white background requirements before syncing. In the currency converter section, review and update the exchange rate if your Shopify store and TikTok Shop operate in different currencies. Next, choose your inventory sync behavior. You can either sync the actual Shopify inventory or use a fixed custom inventory value for products synced to TikTok Shop. If you choose fixed custom inventory, enter the quantity you want the app to sync for those products. In efficient inventory control, choose how you want to manage stock buffering. You can use reserve inventory or threshold inventory, depending on how you want to control stock visibility on TikTok Shop. If you select threshold inventory, enter the minimum stock level at which products should appear out of stock on TikTok Shop. Finally, enable Skip GIFs on Upload if you want the app to automatically remove GIFs from product uploads, since TikTok Shop does not support GIFs in product media. After reviewing all product settings, click Save to apply the changes. That's how you configure product settings in the TikTok Shop Connector to control pricing, inventory behavior, stock sync, and media upload rules.